Hello everyone and welcome back to another Davinci Resolve tutorial. Today we're going to go over something super quick, super simple, super easy, but it's kind of actually a little annoying to figure out. There isn't like a button for it on the display. It's the full screen preview mode. So with the full screen preview, it allows you to watch your video that you're editing in full screen as opposed to in the little tiny small screen. And it allows you to kind of see the different sizes of stuff because things can be different. So we're going to go ahead and load up Davinci Resolve. While that loads up, I also got these Voxcon wireless microphones and everything. I'm going to try and do like a, review on these or do some tests with these and see if they're any good. Right now I use the Rode Videomic Go and everything like that for these videos, but maybe we can try and get some wireless stuff. We can do some crazy stuff. So we're in our Davinci Resolve timeline now for the hatch flip challenge. All you want to do to get to the full screen preview is hit the letter P as in polar, right? You're gonna hit the letter P and boom, now you're in full screen mode. So if you're interested mainly in looking at like the size of your text and everything like that, you can do that easy and hit play, and I don't know why it's not playing all of a sudden. There you go. So now you're looking at your text, see if it lines up properly, see if everything else lines up properly, and very simple. If you want to get out of that, just hit the escape button. It takes you right back to the editing pane and shows your timeline, and it's very nice. So super simple. So if you guys did enjoy the tutorial, hit that like button, and if you want to see more, subscribe if you're interested. And if you have any other tutorials or anything you have a question about with Davinci Resolve, let me know in the comment section down below. We'll get right on it. Have a fantastic day, everyone.